The history of paving roads using hot asphalt, tar and road oil, then extending the totality to it while still hot, was first recorded in Babylon, a city-state in ancient Mesopotamia around 625 BC. In 1800, Scotsman John Loudon Macadam is credited with using crushed stone for road surface. Other road builders soon covered it with hot pitch to bind it together and produce what is called Macadam tarmac. The Virginia Highway Commission Mac AC Bulldog truck is equipped with what is known as a bitumen spreader. The device consists of a storage tank, a burner underneath to keep the asphalt hot and liquid, and a pump to pump it up and send it to the sprayer and through the nozzles. Before the hot resin has time to cool, sand, small pebbles, or small pieces of rubble are poured on it. For best results, the mixture is compacted with a road roller, which also helps bind it all together into a durable waterproof coating. After successive application, a thick layer of the mixture is formed. These old methods have mostly fallen by the wayside recently with the development of regional hot mix plants that prepare ready-to-use asphalt and stone mix. In addition, the mechanical paving machine and the fast-moving modern truck, some of which have exhaust-heated beds, have changed the way modern paving is applied.